excitement. The wait is over for Apple fans in India as the much anticipated iPhone 17 officially goes on sale in India. And excitement has reached fever pitch with thousands of customers lining up outside Apple's official retail stores in major cities like Mumbai, Delhi. Shoppers have queued up overnight in locations to be among the first to get their hands on the cutting-edge devices. Let's go across to Astha Chopra from the BKC Apple store.
Well, yes, you're absolutely right. Apple's iPhone 17 has entered the Indian markets today. The pre-bookings were open on 12th of September. And as you can see behind me, we are right in front of the BKC hall. And there are a number of people here, about 2,000 to 3,000 people lined up since 2 in the morning. And we have a customer here who has just purchased 2 iPhones.
17 Pro and 17 Pro Max.
Okay.
One for my wife. I've purchased 3. One for my son, one for my wife, and one for myself.
Oh, great. So, did we see you at iPhone 16 launch as well?
Yeah.
So, you were here and you're breaking your, you're upgrading every year.
Guys, yeah. 16 Pro Max and 16 Pro I've upgraded to 17 Pro Max, 17 Pro Max.
Okay, so what do you like in this iPhone now?
Made in India color, orange color. Our flag color orange. That is exciting. And when the shape is changed, the design is changed, camera is back, and the processor also good.
Okay.
I'm very excited too.
So what about the price points? Do you think that
all are reasonable price? 149 is reasonable.
149 is reasonable.
150 approx.
So you're well excited. How since how much? At what time were you here?
Last night only.
You were here last night.
Last night, I was in queue and last night and got right now.
You got
more than 24 I'm here. Last night I was right 8:30, 9 o'clock, and now it's 9:30.
So from Mumbai.
Yeah, from Mumbai only.
Okay, absolutely. So will we see you next year as well?
Yeah, 100%. Hope to see you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your excitement and lovely speaking to you. Well, as you can see that people are here since last night in the morning, and we will just hop inside the store as well, and let's show you what is the Apple phones talking about. There are 4 models right now. 4 models right now. We can see the colors right here. So this is the Apple BKC. And here are the lovely phones which are lined up here. This is the iPhone 17 Pro, first phone. So now the talking about the iPhone phone as well. And this is iPhone 17 Pro as well. The different sizes now. The best information we are getting from iPhone that the iPhone Plus range has been replaced by iPhone Air, which is a very sleek and slimmest phone at length. And people are having here, and the price point is about 1,20,000. So iPhone Air is the slimmest and has no SIM slot, but it will contain the eSIM slot at most. And these are the ranges which you've seen right here. The colors you can see orange, white and blue. Now here are the excitement we can see about the people. Over to you on the studio.